Hello, good morning students. Children, let us learn some terms which we have studied in this chapter. You should know the spellings as well as what do they mean. These are the new terms for you children in this chapter. They are adaptation, habitat, camouflage, parasite. Okay? Adaptation means the process of changing to suit the environment is called adaptation. The process of changing, when we change to suit the environment, they are called that process, tarika, that way of changing to suit the environment we are living. Now I am living in a place where it is raining and in winter it is raining, I am feeling cold. So how will I adapt? I will do something, I will not switch on the fan or I will close the windows. In this way I adapt. Similarly, animals also adapt themselves to suit the environment they live in is called adaptation. Children, adaptation spelling A-D-A-P-T-A-T-I-O-N. Coming to the second one children, habitat. Habitat, the natural home of the animal, of an animal is called. The natural home. We bring animals and put them in the cage. That is not their natural home. The natural home is where they live naturally in the jungle, or some lives on the tree, some lives in the nest. That is their natural home. Number 3, camouflage. Now, camouflage spelling C-A-M-O-U-F-L-A-G-E, camouflage. Okay, C-A-M-O-U-F-L-A-G-E. Merging or mixing with the surrounding is called camouflage. Okay, merging, when you merge, become one, or you become one by mixing with the environment, with the surrounding is called camouflage. As I told you that the leopards, they have spot, or the tigers and the zebras, they have the stripes. They actually help them to become one with the place they are living in, with all the trees and bushes and grasses. Similarly, I had shown you that insect, the stick insect, how the leaf insect, they become one. Then we talked about the chameleon, how this becomes one with the environment. Okay, so in this way, they are called camouflage. Fourth one, parasite. Parasite, children, animals living on or inside the bodies of other animals. When they live on the bodies or inside, maybe on, like we are talking about mosquitoes or the bugs or the leeches, and sometimes inside you have the hookworm, okay, tapeworms. These are like, they are inside your body and they feed on the other animals. They cannot, they are not able to survive on their own. So they are called parasite. Okay children, now in this lesson we have studied many other new things. We have discussed many a time. What is terrestrial? Terrestrial, animals that live on land are called terrestrial. Okay, animals that live on the trees are called arboreal animals. Yes, remember arboreal, the animals that live on trees are called arboreal animals. Animals that live in water are called, yes, aquatic animals. And animals that live both in water as well as on land are called amphibians. And lastly, animals that can fly are called aerial animals. Okay, so this is how children, we can group the animals based on their habitat. Based on the food they eat, we discussed that animals, those which eat plants are called herbivores, animals carnivores, and animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores, and the animals that live on other bodies, on other animals' body for their food are called parasites. Okay, so in this way we have studied some very new and interesting things in this chapter, that how the terrestrial animals, they have strong and long legs. Aquatic animals, they have fins to move in the water. Amphibians, like the toad has the gill and the frog has the lungs to breathe. Different things. Then the arboreal animals, they have very strong claws and they have broad hip girdles. Then we talked about the aerial animal, that a bat is an aerial animal, but it is a mammal. In this way, then we talked about that how the carnivorous animal and the herbivorous animal, they have different type of teeth which help them to cut the food, chew the food or grind the food. In this way, they are all able to eat the food in a different way. Okay, children? So this is all about the new words and we have done the definition.